honey, I'm home.
Oh, sweetheart, how are you? How was your day today?
Well, I had a rough day.
What happened?
Well, we'll talk about it. How are you?
I'm fine, good.
So
good,
what's
good.
for dinner?
I have mixed some rice for you and some fish. It's delicious.
Okay.
Sweetheart. Over there.
What happened?
Wait, did you see that mouse pass over there?
Yes, I saw it, but it went over there.
No, I'm telling you, he go over there.
Come on now. Are you that blind? The damn mouse went over there.
Don't you dare. I'm telling you, he went over there.
Don't I dare what? You are too blind to see a simple mouse went this way? Anyway, why are we having this conversation?
Rick, don't you dare raise your voice on me. Okay?
Wait a minute. Is it my fault that you can't see further than your nose?
Forget you. We both saw the dumb mouse go over there and you too stupid to listen? Are you deaf? Anyway, what you are going to do about it? You're a mighty man.
Oh, now you're a comedian?
Me? Comedian?
Enough! Now you have done it. You have got on my last nerve. You lazy, good for nothing. Now you tell me who's laughing now. Now it's my turn. What do you think you're doing? Where you going? What's going on? She left? Honey, oh honey, honey! Goodness. She disappears. She disappears without a trace. I don't see her. You know, I've learned a lesson. A man should never raise his hand on his wife. She just gone for 5 minutes. I'm already missing her like she's been out for 20 years. we should never raise our hand on our women. We should treat them like queens.